Hello guys, welcome to my TechnoDexterous YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to learn operators. In our previous video, we have already seen arithmetic and assignment operators. In this video, we are going to learn comparison and logical operators. So without any further delay, let's start. Comparison operators. Comparison operators compares values or variables. Examples of comparison operators are less than, greater than, equals to, not equals to, greater than or equals to, less than or equals to. Let's see the output of comparison operators, that is the result. The comparison operators results in Boolean values. In Python, there are two Boolean keywords, true or false, reserved for Boolean operations. So, result of comparison operators are also Boolean values. In this example, 7 is greater than 4, so result will be true. In this example, 7 is equal to 4. It is not true statement. That's why the result is false. Logical operators used for combining or binding multiple comparison conditions together. Examples of logical operators are logical and, logical or, logical not. Symbol for each and every operator is just a name itself. Truth table for logical operators. You must have gone through mathematical logic chapter in your high schools. In that chapter, the truth table has a special importance during studying of logical operations. We must understand the truth table for logical operations. The truth table for logical AND. Here, x and y are two inputs. Output is the outcome of logical operation AND. So, in this truth table, we come to know that the output of AND operator is always true when both or all inputs to the AND operator are true. Rest of the inputs, the AND operator will give result as false. Logical OR. In logical OR truth table, output of logical OR is false when both or all inputs to the logical OR are false. For rest of the combinations, the output will result as a true. Logical NOT. In this table, the output is true when the input is false, or the input is true and then output is false. In this way, we have studied truth table for logical operators. Use cases of logical operators. Logical operators are used to bind multiple conditions together. Mostly they are used in if-else conditions. In this scenario or examples, we are seeing that 3 is greater than 2 is a comparison operator, and also 5 is not equal to 5.1 is also a second comparison operator. The both comparison operators are bind with AND operator. So that is logical AND used over here. In the second example, less than and not equal to are comparison operators. Both comparison operators are bind with OR operator. The result of first example will be true because 3 is actually greater than 2 and 5 is not equal to 5.1. In second example, 3 is less than 2 but it is not true, but in second comparison operator it is true. If you follow the truth table of OR operator, it says the output will be false if both the conditions are false. But here the first condition is false and second condition is true. That's why the output is true. Okay, we have discussed theoretical concepts. Let's move towards practical. We are going to use Python IDE for practical purpose. For that, Python 3 must be installed into your Windows 10 machine. If you have not installed it, then you can follow my first video, which is install Python on Windows 10, and then you can try practicals. You need to go to your Windows search and type IDLE. So here, after typing IDLE, click on this console. So Python console will open in front of you. Let's make it big. I just want to increase font size, so I will go to options and configure IDLE. So it is the size. So it is default at 10, so I will increase it to 18, and I will press on apply and OK. I have increased the Python console's font size so that you can see it better. So we are going to practice comparison operators first. So for comparison we need two variables, guys, because we do compare two things, not only one thing. So consider two variables a and b. Let's assign values to them. A is equal to 10, b is equal to 15. So both are numbers here. Now we will apply comparison operators on them one by one. Let's try a is equal to b. It's of course false. Then a is greater than b. It is also false. Let's try a is less than b. What will be the output? It is true. Then a is not equal to b. It is also true. A is less than or equal to b. Can you guess the output? Yes, it is true, because 10 is less than or equal to b. That means 10 is equal to 15 or less than 15. Here one condition is satisfied, that is less than. That's why it is true. Then a is greater than or equal to b. So here is our a is greater than b? No. Or is equal to b? No. That's why it is false. Let's try the same condition by exchanging the position of integers. B is greater than or equal to a. Is our b variable greater than a? That is true. Then is our b equal to a? No, it is not true. Here greater than or equal to, in or condition one is true and other is false. That's why output will be true. So in this way we have discussed comparison operators. Let's move towards logical operators. We already discussed that logical operators are used for combining two or more comparison operators conditions. We will be seeing that as well. Let's check two comparison conditions using AND. You need to use parenthesis to mention your comparison conditions over there, because we are going to bind them using AND logical operator. A is greater than b and b is equal to a. We are checking two comparison conditions using AND operator. So what will be the output? In our first comparison condition, a is greater than b, that is false, and in second condition b is equal to a, that is also false. Then our output also false. What is the logic of AND operator? If all the conditions are true, then output will be true. Let's take conditions that are true and then verify our AND output. Here we will be trying with true conditions only. We will take a is less than b, that is a true condition here, and another will be not equal to, b is not equal to a. So here we have taken two different comparison conditions, but they are true. That's why the output of logical AND also true. Okay, so let's move towards logical OR. We will be using same above condition for logical OR. In logical OR, the output will be true if any of the input is true. Here is a is greater than b, it is not true, and b is equal to a, it is also not true. That's why it will false. Let's check these comparison conditions with OR operator. Can you guess the output? In our first condition, a is less than b, that is false. In our second condition, b is not equal to a, that is true. So here we will be getting output as a true. Let's move ahead with logical NOT condition. The logical NOT condition will be applied on only one variable. So here we will take a variable as true keyword. Let's print it and then use NOT operator on a, and let's see what it will provide. It will provide false output. So if you want to convert true condition into false condition, then we can use logical NOT over there. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching video. You can try practicing logical and comparison operations by taking different examples on your own. We are gonna cover bitwise, identity and membership operators in next video. You can comment your feedback below the video, like and subscribe, and share this video with your friends. and subscribe to my channel. Happy Python learning guys. See you in next video. Bye bye.